Hello guys, this is my second video on my channel. Is this mic on? Microphone on. Wait, is this on? Yeah, it's on. Yeah. Yeah, okay, this is on. Nice. This is gonna be a relatively short video because I got a dip in like 5-10 minutes. But we're just like, it's basically just like a Skyblock update on how I've gotten so far. Why are all my settings reset? There we go. So, here we are. I've got the glaciite armor. I went over this in my last video. I've got a double bit sweet axe, prospector's diamond pick. I managed to get the mithril pickaxe, so that is pretty sweet. Legendary Voidwalker katana, yeah, you've seen it, you love it, take a gander. But I managed to get my hands on a hurricane bow. Oh yeah, too far down. It currently fires 2 arrows at the same time, but that is not bad because I've only had it for like 30 minutes. Not 30 minutes, like less. Alright, there's nothing really much else to go over. Whoa. Okay, I think I figured F5 controls out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get into it. There we go. Parkour. Plenty of arrows. Somebody. Can't do that. Catacombs floor 7. What the heck? That's expensive. $59 million coins for rare weapon. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, let's go right to the back. Bruh. Why are all the good weapons so hard to get? I can't afford this. I'm a million short. Oh, 999 short, but like, you know, details. Jesus Christ! Jesus crispy Christ, that's a good sword. I don't have enough E level though. Oh, is this a legendary hurricane bow? Nice, I might get that when I get money. If you guys have any money making tips, please put them in the comments, cause like, I'm broke. Let's just go right to this end. Bruh. Once again, I am saying to you, bruh. Shoot a skull that. Now that's a lot of damage. Aspect of the end, instant transmission, plus 100 damage, plus 100, not bad. 100 million coins! What the heck? That's expensive. Soul Cry plus 200 ferocity against enemy. That's not bad. Enderman Slayer 3. Why are all weapons so high? I need the Endurian pet. You know what this needs? It needs more enchants. Let's give it more enchants. What do we need? What do we need? What do we need? I'm starting to like my base. Oh, yeah, by the way, I actually gave my minions what are basically steroids. Jeez, you get six. You get 6 things of storage? That means it's gonna go far in life, I tell you. My inventory full. I put that in storage. I sell later. Alright, little buddy, I'll have that 2 cobblestone, thank you. Hey, little buddy, I'll have that 2 cobblestone, thank you. Hey, little buddy, I'll have that 3 stacks of cobblestone, thank you. Hyper furnace. Interesting. Oh yeah, I got this. I need to talk to Elizabeth. What? Very riveting conversation in this chat. Walking on that is the most cursed thing I have ever seen in Minecraft. Walking on portal blocks. I never want to see that again, Hypixel. You hear me? You hear me? You server? I grabbed the wrong bow. Hey, that's my hurricane bow. Time for some enchanting. Let's go. Looting. I don't want looting. I want experience. Experience. That is what I want. 45 EXP levels. Not bad. So now I heal HP when I smack something. Okay. Okay. Probably a good time to call it quits. I've reached 10 minutes, so this has been this video, and I might go to the end in the next one, I don't know. See ya.